Hi, my name's Jessica, and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hey there! Welcome to my laundry room. It's not like super fancy, basement, laundry room, all that jazz. But one of my favorite ways to organize tiny laundry rooms is using the wall. Like seriously, using the wall to store things when you have a teeny tiny laundry room is an easy way to add functional storage where you don't really have to worry about adding a shelf or finding extra storage for your detergents or any of that. So this fabulous little thing I have right here is the grid system from iDesign. I love this thing because you can add all sorts of different add-ons to make this system work for you. I can put my iron in this attachment, which is amazing because I don't really have a lot of space to add, extra things for, the iron to lay or even stand up. So by adding this to the grid system, I now have a great place for my iron to go. I also have a basket to hold all of my dryer balls. Now this guy is amazing. So as you can see, it's teeny tiny, okay? And we don't really have a lot of space for hang drying anything. This little doodad is perfect for adding hangers. So I just hang the clothes and then they dry. This also works really well if you're trying to stretch out clothes. So after I wash them, I'll pull gently so that they stretch out, and then the weight can also stretch out clothes that the arms might be a little shorter. So for my husband, he has kind of long arms and not every shirt fits perfectly, so I do have to kind of stretch them out, and hanging them works so well. If I want to hang something that's a little more delicate, I can easily fold it over and hang it. And it's perfect because I'm not losing any extra space. I'm using the wall. There are many more attachments to this whole grid system, but for us, this was the perfect combination of attachments that we needed. We have hooks to hold towels because we do have a sink in here as well, which again is why we are short on space in this tiny, tiny laundry room. I have our iron off of any counters, so I actually have space to store our detergent. And I have a spot for the dryer balls right next to the dryer, which makes it so easy to grab them, throw it in, and then my clothes come out super fluffy, and I'm being really eco-friendly by using the dryer balls instead of dryer sheets. All the links for this amazing grid system that you can put in place in your laundry room are linked below. Love this video? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. New videos every week.